Hello guys, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is if x raised to the power x to the power 10 is equal to square root of 5, then find the value of x. So student, today in this video I am telling you how to find the value of x from this equation. So student, our given algebraic equation is x raised to the power x to the power 10 is equal to square root of 5. So student, to find the value of x from this equation, so first of all we have to take power 10 on both sides. So student, after taking the power 10 on both sides, then you can write on the left hand side of this equation x raised to the power x to the power 10 whole to the power 10 is equal to, on the right hand side we have to write square root of 5 whole to the power 10. So student, to simplify the left hand side and the right hand side of this equation, so we have to apply the formula a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. So student, according to this formula we can write from the left hand side x raised to the power x to the power 10 times 10 is equal to, so student, square root of 5, that means 5 to the power half. So student, in the place of square root of 5 we can write in here 5 to the power 1 over 2 whole to the power, again we have to write 10. So student, according to this formula we can write from the left hand side of this equation x to the power 10 whole to the power x to the power 10. So student, according to this formula we can write from the right hand side 5 to the power 1 over 2 times 10. So student, on the left hand side again we have to write x to the power 10 whole to the power x to the power 10 is equal to, on the right hand side, so student, after simplify we can write from the right hand side of this equation 5 to the power 5. So student, after comparing on both sides of this equation we can write in here x to the power 10 is equal to 5. So student, to find the value of x from this equation, so we have to take power 1 over 10 on both sides of this equation. So student, now we can write on the left hand side x to the power 10 whole to the power 1 over 10 is equal to, on the right hand side we can write 5 to the power 1 over 10. So student, according to this formula we can write from the left hand side x to the power 10 times 1 over 10 is equal to, on the right hand side we can write from the right hand side 10th root of 5. So student, in the place of power we can cancel 10 from numerator and denominator. So we can write on the left hand side x is equal to, on the right hand side we have to write 10th root of 5. So this is our final answer. So student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.